Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to pin screen mirroring to your Mac's menu bar, handy if you frequently mirror your display to a TV or external monitor. Before we dive in, take a second to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks. To get started, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and choose System Settings. In the window that appears, glance at the sidebar on the left, scroll down, and select Control Center. This pane controls what shows up in the menu bar. Locate screen mirroring in the list. By default, it probably says Don't Show in Menu Bar. Click its drop-down and pick either Always Show in Menu Bar if you want the icon visible all the time, or Show when active if you prefer it to appear only when you're connected to another display. Now look at the top right of your screen. You should see the screen mirroring icon, two overlapping rectangles. Click at any time to start mirroring or to open display settings for your TV or external monitor. That's all there is to it. If this helped, smash that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe for more Mac tips. See you in the next video.